Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Paki. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily connect your FBS account to your MetaTrader 5 account. Are you trading with FBS or you want to start trading with FBS broker but you don't know how you can actually link it to your MetaTrader 5 for easy trade execution? Then worry no more, because in this video tutorial I'm going to show you step by step on how you can actually do that. Okay, so watch me now, let me show you how to do it. You can see when you open account with FBS, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Or if you still want to link it to MT4, I'm still going to make a separate video on that. This video is specifically for how to connect to MetaTrader 5. Okay, so you can actually create MetaTrader 5 account. You can still create MetaTrader 4 account on this FBS. The both trading platforms, you can create the both accounts on this platform, but in this video we will talk about only the MetaTrader 5. So how do you do it? So you can see this place here. You can see we have trade, we have positions, we have funds, we have more. Click on more. So when you click on more, you will see this place here, trading account. You can see basic settings and advanced features. So click on it. So when you click on it, you can see this place here. We have a standard account which is switched to MetaTrader 5, as you can see here. All right, so what do you do now? You can see this place here, MetaTrader 5 platform. MetaTrader 5 platform, you can see it here. So they have the company name here, FBS Market INT or INEC. So you can see the login details here. So these are the things you need to take note, because these are the things you are going to connect to MetaTrader 5 with. Now you can see the password is showing here. Now for instance, if your old password is not showing, you will see the option of generate password written boldly with blue letters. So you click on it. Immediately you click on it, it's going to automatically generate your password, and those password is generating you is meant to last for 24 hours. After 24 hours and you did not use it, it's going to expire, which means you have to generate another one. It's just one time. All right, but once you connect it to your MetaTrader 5, it is connected. Unless you want to change the password, then you can come here and then change it. Now what are we going to do? We have our login here. This is what we are making use of. We are making use of login, we're making use of server, we're making use of the company name. So these are the three things we are going to make use of. So now what do we do? Go to your MetaTrader 5, minimize, then go to your MetaTrader 5, open your MetaTrader 5. When you open your MetaTrader 5, you have quote, you have chart, you have trade, you have history, you have message. So what are you going to click now? You now look at the left top corner, you will see a three dot. Look at this three dot I'm pointing here. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you either manage account or get started. If you have not opened MetaTrader 5 before, you are going to see get started or manage account, or you are going to see add trading account. So any of them you see in your trade in your own MetaTrader 5, when you open it, you click on it. So click on get started or manage account. So when you click on it, take a look at look up. You will see this plus button here, or this plus icon here. So you click on it. So when you click on it, search for FBS. So search for FBS. When you search for FBS, the one you're going to select is FBS Market INC. So click on it. Now when you click on it, what do you need again? Go back to your FBS account. You see this option here, login. Let's go and copy the login now. Minimize. Then you can see the login here. See the login here. So you copy it. So once you copy it, you paste it here. Then we are going to copy password now. Remember I said if your own password is not showing, you generate another one. So this is the password. You can see the password here. You copy it. Then once you copy it, you paste it here. So pasted. Then next, now we have to select our server. So let's check the server. So you can see the server here. The server here is FBS Rail. So now let's search for FBS Rail. So you can see it there. So when you click on server, you see this arrow here down drop. You click on it, then FBS Rail. Then what is next? Next thing is now to click on login. So click on login. So you can see we have logged in successfully. So that's how to log into how to connect your FBS to your MetaTrader 5. That's how you can actually connect it and then start executing your trade. You can see the chart. You can add your currency pairs here if you like. So this is it. You can see it. So you can see where you can see your trading history and the rest of them. So that's how to connect your FBS to MetaTrader 5. All right, if you have another question in regard to FBS or in regard to MetaTrader 5, then comment below. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paki and I share helpful tutorials on this channel. Not only tutorials, I also share business updates on how to make money online with your smartphone or PC laptop. So for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. All right, thank you for watching this video.